Hey, welcome everyone. Welcome to my channel, Palm Coast, Florida Realtor. Today, we are doing a tour of a Meritage Home community called Flagler Village. This tour is of the Azalea model. It is 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. It has over 1,800 square feet. And I'm gonna give you some pricing and details and the amenities that are included with this property. Come on, let's take a tour. So everyone, again, this is Doran Davis, and I hope you enjoyed your tour of this Azalea model for the Meritage Homes in Flagler Village in Palm Coast, Florida. Some of the things I wanted to point out to show you what's included in this Meritage home. The granite countertops that you see, those are included. The stainless steel appliances, So you have your refrigerator, stove, microwave, and behind here is the dishwasher. Those are included. And perhaps you saw on the tour the washer and dryer. Those are included as well. This home is energy efficient. They're one of the few homes that have spray-in foam in the attic. And so that helps to keep your costs down for your energy bills, especially being in Florida where it does get warm for a longer period of time. And they have models already move-in ready right now, starting around $375,000 for the Azalea model, but they also have other smaller models that are going in this community under $300,000. So you'll have all the same things that you see here included. This might be smaller, like 1,200 square feet. Again, this one is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. It does have a $150 HOA fee. There is a pool that will be included in this community, and also a special feature, Flagler Village, no CDD or community development fee. So that is a plus. That saves you money on your mortgage. So if you're interested in doing a tour of this or any other homes that they have available for Meritage Home, we have Flagler Village and Colbert Landings, give me a call, Doran Davis, 757-553-8765, and I would love to make this house your home. And if you love to see more videos, feel free to visit my channel, Palm Coast Florida Realtor. Like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this model, and if you want to see more, I'll be happy to give you more videos. Look forward to hearing from you soon.